You might want to add images into certain shapes to get the effects like these samples, but you are struggling to restrict the image right inside the shape only. If you are one of those Photoshop enthusiasts, then this video is for you, because in this video we are going to learn how to use clipping mask in Photoshop, and that's what you need to get these effects. Before starting, please hit the like button and subscribe us for more videos. Welcome to Webtricks Home. Here, I could have gone with creating some artworks and then show you how to use the clipping mask, but to save your precious time, I'll go with one of the custom shapes, which will save tons of your time. And this will be the image I'll be using for this tutorial. So let's select the custom shape tool. The heart is already selected. I'll go with the same shape. You can go with any fill color. Just make sure there's some color selected. And I'll go with a red border for the shape. Hold your shift key and click and drag your mouse to create the shape, maintaining its original aspect ratio. And you can see the shape is added in the artboard. Let's keep it in the center of the artboard, both vertically and horizontally with the move tool. Hit Ctrl or Command T to get the transformation handles, and hold the Alt or Option key with Shift key to resize it equally from all sides to your liking. Then place the image you want inside the shape into your artboard. Drag it into your artboard with the Move tool, or just copy and paste it. Your image must be placed right above the shape in the Layers panel. Then right-click on the image on the Layers panel and select Create Clipping Mask. And you can see your image is visible only inside the shape area. Alternatively, you can hold your Alt or Option key on your keyboard and click between the image and the shape layer in your Layers panel to create a clipping mask. Hit the Ctrl or Command key with T to transform your image. Resize it to your liking, and you'll get your image right inside the shape as you want it. Just keep in mind, if you remove the fill color from your shape, the image won't appear. So that's all for today. Hit like if you found this video useful. You can also find a playlist related to Photoshop in this channel. If you have just started learning Photoshop, please go through those videos one by one. You'll find the videos right from Photoshop Introduction to Color Gradings, covering all the topics you must learn to master Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe us for more videos. Thank you.